How to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. So if you want to set up the Google Family Link in your iPhone, then first you need to download the Google Family Link app from your App Store on your iPhone. And after that, you need to log in with your own Google account and then create your child a Google account if needed. Your kid will also need a separate Google account of their own. It doesn't necessarily have to be a specific account for your kid, just as long as it's different to the Google account you'll be managing. And after that, you need to remove your account from their device if needed. Once your kid has their own Google account, you'll need to remove yours from their phone. Head to the settings, Google, and then tap on account name and go with manage accounts on this device. And you need to remove your Google account from your kid's phone. And after that, you need to open the parental controls on your child's Android. Tap on the guide, and then here you will get the guide. You need to open up your settings and go with the Android device and go with Google, then parental controls, and follow the steps to set up a parental control and tap on done, which is on the bottom, to finish. Here in this way you will have the Google option, and then under Google you will have parental controls. So set up the parental controls and you'll get this kind of interface. While setting up the parental controls, tap on get started, which is on the bottom, and then you can choose your child, and you need to link your child's Google account to yours. So link your Google account to your child's, enter the email and the password, and link your accounts. Read about the supervision and confirm with their password to continue. Wait for some time. You'll have to wait anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes for the accounts to link. Once you get the confirmation on your screen, you can click on next to continue. And after that, you can manage apps and filters on your child's phone. Tap next again to continue. If you ever change your mind, you can alter these settings from the Family Link app on your iPhone. Tap on review controls and your phone will confirm everything has been set up and gives you the option of review controls on your kid's device. This lets you set things like screen time and blocked apps on their device. And that's it. You can manage the parental controls from the Family Link iPhone app. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.